So imagine this, you tell an AI to plan your entire day, book your meetings, and even catch the mistakes in your projects before you make them. And we all know that we make mistakes, and it actually does it, right? That's not the future. It's actually happening right now. But here's the catch. Most people are still using AI the wrong way. And if you don't understand the shift that's happening with AI agents, you're going to be left behind. And if you're just learning about AI in general right now and ChatGPT, God, you're so far behind, it's unbelievable. But let's break this down for you. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what an AI agent is, why it's such a big deal, and the secret opportunities hiding in plain sight that few people are really even talking about. So what are AI agents and what are they not? Let's get clear on the definitions here, because this is where most people get completely tripped up. If you've ever gone to ChatGPT and typed, "Write me an essay on X topic," congratulations, that's not an AI agent. You might have called it that, but wrong-o. That's what's called one-shot prompting. It works, but it's flat, it's generic, and honestly, it's kind of dumb when you figure out what an AI agent is. An agentic workflow is different, is what it's called. Instead of one step, it's iterative, which means the process goes over and over and over again, and it betters itself. It breaks a task into smaller steps. Brainstorm, research, draft, refine, improve, circling back each time until the outcome is completely polished. Voila. And then there's the holy grail, the autonomous agents, where the AI not only executes steps, but it decides which steps to take, which tools to use, and it loops in other items until it solves the problem. It continuously loops itself and other items until the problem is solved, all without you handling it. And we're not fully there yet, but we're closer than people realize. Now, here's what's interesting. Researchers have mapped out 4 design patterns for AI agents. And knowing these is like having the cheat codes. The first one, reflection. AI reviews its own work, finds flaws, and fixes them. It's like giving AI a built-in editor. The second, tool use. Giving AI the ability to search the web, run code, and schedule events. Suddenly, it's not just talking, it's actually doing. Third on the list is planning and reasoning. The AI decides how to approach a task step by step instead of just winging it. And the fourth on the list here is multi-agent systems. And this is my favorite. Imagine a team of AIs, each with a specialty, right? One is a researcher, one's a writer, another's an editor, and they collaborate like a human team, like individual people on a team, but faster, cheaper, and tirelessly. They don't need to take breaks or cigarette breaks or bathroom breaks or talk about benefits, none of that. They're just there to work. And here's the kicker. Just like humans, AI performs better in teams than solo. And that's where breakthroughs are actually happening right now. So most people don't even realize that multi-agent systems, they're already creeping in the products and companies with everyday use, including today as I shoot this video. So think about it. A single agent is like having one intern. Helpful, sure, but they're limited. And a multi-agent system is like hiring a team of experts who communicate, double check each other, and they hand off tasks to each other as well. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a coder to play with this. Tools like N8N or Make.com, they let you build these AI crews that we call it here with no code at all. I built one that connects to my calendar, organizes my task, and it literally tells me what I should be doing right now inside a Telegram. Where's my phone? I need to check that, by the way. Psych. But the first time that I ultimately did this, well, it prioritized my day better than I could have overall. It was great, and this was my holy shit moment. So here's where the stakes get really high. Y Combinator, if you haven't heard of them, you should probably look them up if you're in the founder space, right? It's a startup accelerator. Yeah, they launch things like Airbnb, Dropbox, Stripe, put all of this out into prediction, right? What did they say? They said that for every SaaS company today, service as a software, there will be a corresponding AI agent company tomorrow. Peep that. It's insane. That's how useful these are going to be. Think about that. Every Adobe, Shopify, Salesforce, Canva, Zoom, you name it, they're going to have an AI agent version waiting to be built for them. Find those opportunities And guess what? You might be the founder of one of these new companies. I just talked about that in another video on my channel on getting the opportunity and finding it with AI agents, but I digress. This isn't just an evolution right now. This is literally a disruption on a massive scale. Everything that anybody's ever known, it's getting revamped, it's getting redone, and it's getting automated. And if you've been wondering, where do I start with AI? This is your roadmap. Pick a SaaS company and figure out the AI version of it. So here's what I want you to walk away with. Most people are still using AI like a toy. One prompt, one output, boom, done. But the winners, they're the ones who understand that agentic workflows are the bridge to true autonomy. Reflection, tool use, planning, multi-agent collaboration. These aren't just buzzwords. They should be familiar to you. And if not, you should be understanding what they are, because they're the building blocks of the next generation of business, productivity, and ultimately innovation. So you have to ask yourself, are you going to keep prompting like everyone else, asking ChatGPT to write you some BS email or something like that? Or are you going to start building teams with AI agents and position yourself ahead of the curve? The tidal wave's coming. You got to get on that surfboard and start going. That's exactly where we're at right now. Because one thing's for sure, AI isn't just changing how we work. With agents, it's about to change who does the work itself. So peep this, if you've got it to this far, applaud yourself, because you're investing in yourself and learning about what AI agents are. More videos on this channel that we go in depth about different segments, what they do, how to build them, the different tools, all of that. And if this has opened your eyes, yeah, hit subscribe. It helps the channel out, get to more people. That's what I'm here to do. But I'm using these AI agents in my business today, and they are insane. Is it going to be stressful? Let me get personal with you here for a minute. Is it going to be stressful setting these up? Of course, because you're learning something new. But the frustration means that you're learning something new and that you're expanding yourself and you're leveling up, right? Frustration, good things aren't easy to get, right? A lot of people just want shit handed to them on their lap. But guess what? If you take the time and you learn these AI agents, you put them in your business, or you go to other companies, you say, what's your biggest problem? How do I automate this? I mean, hell, use ChatGPT to find out what certain businesses do and what AI agents can be used in those businesses. You're using AI to find what an AI agent you can build for a company that you can go to in the future. Those are going to be the people that are the next pioneers. You guys have heard about people building things in their garage. Guess what? Those were the old days. People are building things in their home offices and their home studios right now. You could be next. Comment below. Let me know, what's your billion-dollar company idea? What AI agent are you building next? And let me see what you guys comment here. I might pick somebody and have you be part of my team. Cheers.